We are on floor 75 of the Meriton in Suites Paradise, so let's have a look around.
Okay, so we stayed in a 3-bedroom apartment on level 75, and at that time it was the highest level you could book rooms on in Meriton Suites Surfers Paradise. However, they have since offered level 76 with an obstructed view. I don't know why you'd want to stay that high with an obstructed view because the view was incredible. But as you can see, these rooms are huge. So much room, and it's easily somewhere you could spend several days, a week, even longer, because there is a lot of room. And even though it was a gloomy day when we first arrived, that's a pretty epic view of the Gold Coast. So this is the main bedroom, which has the ensuite as well, and it has a big bath that looks out over the Gold Coast, which is very cool, and big shower. Yes, so much room, so much storage space as well. And then a full-size kitchen with all the modern things that you'd expect in the kitchen. Dining table and plenty of room on the couch. There's TVs in every bedroom as well as in the living area. And those floor-to-ceiling windows to give you that view. And a small patio as well. And then that is the main bathroom, which again, shower, toilet, sink behind the door. And the third bedroom, which is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, but you really only need a bed anyway, so that's fine. And in the kitchen, you've got your oven, stovetop, so full size for cooking proper meals. The hidden fridge in here, again, full size fridge, plenty of space for food, all the appliances that you would want for a longer stay. We didn't use the kitchen at all. We weren't there for that long. We were only staying for 2 nights, and we were out that whole time, so we didn't get to use the kitchen to any great degree other than the fridge. But you've got your dishwasher there as well. Lots of bench space and the microwave, and the view. That view is just incredible. So that was on morning 2 when the sun was shining, and it just looked amazing. Looking right over onto Surfers Paradise Beach. As you can see, the Meriton is huge. I think it is currently the 2nd tallest on the Gold Coast, but they are building a taller one next door. So this is the lobby area, which is all very nice. The indoor pool, which is huge. It was actually closed straight after this when we went to go down there. They have some maintenance issues, so we ended up in the outdoor pool, which was also beautiful, and it was a perfect day anyway. So the outdoor pool was probably nicer, being that it had the nice fresh air and the sun. And just a quick view of how quick that elevator goes up. It didn't take that long to get to that top floor. And a final look at that view, because that view is everything. So this is a great place to stay. It is kid friendly if you are traveling with a family or with the extended relatives like I was.